see. Will it still work? Found this in recycle. With that wood pieces. Found that just plopped in recycle. I love CRTs. Don't get me wrong. This I put, is it EMI, EFI? Looks like maybe EFI from the camera. Nope, EMI. EMI, a filter, or something of the sort. I had the gloves on because of this has gotten quite some good use if you had to look at it inside. Strip is off, though connected in the back. Clearly not the best setup, but hey, the cord is cut. In a way, this is from actually, you might have been able to see it, I can't remember. This is from an Apple power supply, 960 watt power supply, if you'd like a little bit more specifics. I'm going to put my gloves on again, just in case. Because you never know. I just saw a bee go by. Hopefully it doesn't sting me by the sound of this CRT. Cathode ray. Wait. What's the... No, whatever. Some cathode ray dude. That's... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. Who I'm thinking of. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think we may have been lucky that it was set off before. What the? Oh, just the weather. Before it was tossed. Yes, I inspected it. All looks set when I was cleaning it inside. Not quite pristine, but good enough for testing purposes, to say the least. I don't smell anything. Out. Turn it on. See. Let's see what she does. Two different types of power. Ooh. Hey, look at that. Woohoo! Oh, that is a fake button right there. Yeah. Oh, video select. Video 1, video 2, video 3. It was on video 3, so let's try that. I will not be... Okay, so there's one right here for so awesome. I'll grab a disc player, plug that in, plug it into here, which actually should set it off. Ooh, that is pretty cool. Little Magnavox and a Panasonic. Are they the same? Or am I thinking of Philips? No. Maybe? So? I forget, but whatever. Anyways, so I will leave you right here. See if I can Have you... Oh no, that'll just be recorded in the neighborhood. I don't want to do that, so... Unfortunately, you're going to be staring at black. Oh, get the gloves off. There we go. However, though, I would like to show you. Hanging boxes for the heck of it. No cord. Where is it? It's inside. How did I do that? Just as simple as this. So I'm just thinking, like, it's just so convenient when I can do something like this. Because with any device, okay, it appears I need to do this with 2 hands. With any device that this can be done, just tuck the cord inside. Makes it a whole lot less stressful. There we go. And it does. Ah, awesome. I can't remember exactly if this one has a connector or not. Only one way to find out if it comes out. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. Excellent. Aha, that's right. So once I get this back together, which is all back together, just need to screw the last 2 screws in, then I can hold you up to show you. Speaking of. So yeah, simple as that. You know, I did just realize I forgot to grab. So let's see. Audio left, right, yeah, blah blah blah. Don't need that whatsoever. Video 1, 2, 3. Got video in and audio in. So I might be able to do the S video in and then the audio in. I'm pretty sure. Possibly. Oops. But let's just try the S video for now. Ouch. Be back in a jiffy. Whoop-de-doo, here am I again. Did I say here am I or where am I? Felt like I may have said where am I. This video. In goes top. Okay, making sure you can see that too. Right here. Awesome. Again, whether or not I can use the audio from the other end / side or whatever, don't really know, nor do I care as of the moment. Nor do I even care as of the moment. Okay, don't be so rude. What did you call me? Yeah, and only, okay, should I not? After I get this video connected, I will. Oh, look at that, the common pretzel knot. The most simple knot that even wives can't resist to taste. Because it's pretzels. Oh yeah, what's a wire's most favorite food? A pretzel knot. Huh. Really? Off. There we go. Forgot I had leaned against it. Yeah. Color video monitor 1384 CT 1384Y. So that's fake. Power. Owie. Owie. Let's see what accent does. Picture input. Input. Oh. So I press accent again. I don't think it's going to let me go to S videos, so let's see. I already forgot what I did. Oh, that's right, accent. CC on mute, set time. CC mode off, field. Field 1. Icon and text assist icon. Okay. Soundness, yeah, Okay. So if I turn this on, nothing will happen. Oh, looky there. Ho ho ho. We shall soon see. Ho ho, yeah. Yeah, because of what this is, I clearly... Right, how did I do that? Just the play button? Yeah. We won't be including the soundtrack. Not yet, just trying. I like this. Whee! Frozen 2. Reconsideration. Now, yeah, I won't do anything more than that. But yeah, definitely works for S video. And now I'm going to see if I can. I'm also going to grab another disc, see if I can. You know what? How about take a little stroll with me? Let's see. If any place likely here. And I need to put you down again. At first I was doing this because, well, not doing the pausing because I forgot what I thought. Oh yeah, because, no, I just forgot. But this phone, as well as many others I've tried, do not have the pause option, just the stop. So that's definitely a downer, to say in the least. Just do. And not in here. We actually may have to wait on that. So you're not getting on my phone, Fiant. Nor are you going to be getting on my VCR. Maybe that thought was just because why not? Can't quite remember again, unfortunately. What can I do now, really, I suppose, anyway. Whatever. Ouch. Yeah, I'm looking. I forgot exactly how much of a pain it is to not pause the video. So when your device shows that it's running low on memory, it won't immediately stop the video. Not exactly sure if you can hear me too well or not, but it is what it is for the moment being, yes indeed. I'm gonna check one last spot in my bedroom, frantically, or whatever. I hope to be back shortly. I just saw 1919. Yeah, no, that's gonna have to wait. Dang it. Well, we got it working. May as well make something worth the while. Even without audio. Here we go. Yes, of course, of course, of course. Guild NTSC, okay. Out. Play. Yeah. Yeah, I won't show too much of this. Oh, that's beautiful. Although, the screen definitely does feel nice. Wait, what? That's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, just for something. This is what it is. Well, Toil and Triumph. The Seaworkers of Havel, Massachusetts. Got this for, I want to say $1. It was on sale somewhere. But yeah, can't really show any more of that because I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I was looking at the headphone jack. I was thinking, it's the second time too. Wait, could I? Oh, look, it's a little bit cut off. You can still read it alright. So yeah, it needs maybe some slight adjusting, but otherwise it's a-okay. So, nonetheless, Panasonic color video monitor CT1384Y from 1997. Cord was cut, but it all works. This is because of the Apple desktop. The Apple desktop power supply port with EMI protection. Oh yeah. Oh, and here's an old newspaper just for the heck of it, since it was still there, or just survived, whatever, you know. But overall, it works. Yeah. Oh, see ya. Wonder if I should take a picture. No. Picture. If that even works. I don't know. And that it's just not allowing me. Oh, I made multiple. I might let you know in the description. Anyways, see ya.